I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Toyota RAV4 2.4 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. First, turn your ignition on 2 clicks to the on position. So we need to set this trip to odometer. So just push this button right here to odometer. Now turn the ignition off. Now this trip button, hold it down, turn the ignition on, 2 clicks while holding the button down. And now it's resetted. So that's how you reset a maintenance required light. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.